Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am finally giving y'all an update on the As I Am curl color, the temporary color. I did it in copper. I'll make sure I link the original video above. I have had this color in my hair for about 2 weeks now, y'all. And it's looking like dusty, crusty Cheeto Puff. Now, I didn't have any residue after about 2 days on anything, so I like that. So it does eventually completely dry, but eventually it starts looking kind of dusty. So yeah, your girl had to go ahead and wash this out of her hair. Now, some of the products that I'm going to be using today. First, I'm going to do the Shea Moisture Black Jamaican Castor Oil Strength and Restore Shampoo. And then I'm going to follow up with the Royal Oils Shampoo. You know I love that one. And then I'm going to deep condition my hair with Shea Moisture. I'll make sure I link all the products below. So first, I am starting off with just drenching my hair with water. Just making sure that it's fully saturated. I want to make sure that it is wet because I know we need to maneuver this stuff out of my locks. I am going to go ahead and tell you I am going to do 2 washes or 2 shampoos with the Shea Moisture shampoo, as that is like my cleansing shampoo, and then I'm going to go in with the Royal Oils as my moisturizing shampoo once, and then I'm going to end with my deep conditioner. So right now I'm starting with just scrubbing my scalp because I have not washed my hair in 2 weeks. So yeah, don't judge me, judge the woman ahead you. But yeah, I haven't really been able to, wash my scalp. So we had to get a good little clean in. And I'm not going to talk too much because it's really going to be self-explanatory. This is basically my up-to-date wash day for my 3-year locked. So I'm 3 years locked if you're new to my channel. I'll make sure that I link my playlist above so you can actually see my entire journey from install day to now. So this is my first time using the Shea Moisture shampoo. Usually, if y'all are not new to my channel, y'all know that I'm a Suave girl, okay? Suave will get your hair super duper duper clean, okay? So usually I am a Suave girl, but I decided that I wanted to try something different, and that's why I ended up trying this Shea Moisture. Someone said it was a really good clarifying shampoo, so I was like, why not? As y'all see, I am raking this product through my locks. I'm squeezing the shampoo into my locks. My goal is to just make sure that I am fully immersing my hair with the shampoo. So I am squeezing it, and as I'm squeezing it, I am seeing the color run down in the shower. So as I'm doing this, I'm really hopeful that it's all gonna come out of my hair. Now we're at the first rinse, and as you can see, the color is very much still in my locks, and I can't see a thing while I'm in the shower. So I am watching this as I record this, and I'm like, yeah, this color is still in my locks. Granted, I did use almost the entire jar, and I did keep it in for about 2 weeks. So, and this is my first time again using this shampoo. Not saying that the shampoo wouldn't cleanse it, but I am noticing that it may take some time to get this out of my locks. I know y'all see me covered in suds because y'all, I'm using so much shampoo to try to get this stuff out of my locks, because as I'm squeezing my hair, I'm still noticing that there is like the little brown color or the copper color rinsing into the shower. So I'm like, oh wow, this might not end up the way I thought it would. We have finally made it to the third shampoo. And as y'all can see, there are some of my locks that just still have that copper tint to it, or that copper color to it. Most of it is gone from my ends, but you can still see that it is in my hair. Like, granted, and I'm not 100% sure, I have colored my hair, and some of I had like a red and honey gold type of situation going on. So some of my locks were starting to turn brown prior to me putting the color in. So I know that some of my locks are just brown, but I can tell that some of the locks that I may have put a lot of color on, it's really taken a while to get out of my locks. As I'm doing the third rinse, I can tell that, some of my locks still have that brown color. Not too much, but some of it does. But I just didn't feel comfortable shampooing my locks more than 3 times. That's typically how many times I do it, 2 to 3 times. So I am just going in with the deep conditioner just so I can put some moisture back into my locks. And at this point, I think we all have come to the conclusion that it may take another wash at some later point, or a couple of more washes before the color is fully out of my hair. I don't feel like it's a lot of buildup. I don't feel like it's any buildup in my hair. I just feel like because I already had some color locks, and all because also I probably put a lot on my locks, that it just will not be rinsing out like the first time. And that's completely okay, because even with the brown pieces, I feel like it's still cute. I'm not mad about it. Like, my locks are imperfect. I'm okay with it. And here is the final result. I am done. As you see, there are more brown in the front. And again, I'm okay with it. It doesn't look like there's any buildup in my locks. The locks are just colored. So I'm cool with it. I'm like, hey, it's cute. And eventually it'll wash out. Worst case scenario, I will dye my locks black again. I've done it before, so I'll dye them black again if I just can't get it out. But yeah, that's really it. If you want to try it, I would say still try it, but just be mindful that it may take more than one wash for color to rinse out of your locks. Thank y'all for tuning in. See you in my next video. Bye.